So let me do one basic lab here. See, I am using the Packet Tracer. So in the Packet Tracer, many student is asking we can do the BGP lab in the CISCO Packet Tracer. I recommend use the EVNG or use the CISCO Modeling Lab or use the GNS3, because here in CISCO Packet Tracer IBGP will not support, only EBGP is supporting, and you cannot do all the BGP lab here. Okay, but anyhow I will do one basic BGP lab here just to show you that one, but I recommend better use the CISCO Modeling Lab or use what we can say use the GNS3 or EVNG to do the BGP lab. Okay, but here anyhow I will show you one thing. You cannot do the IBGP lab in the CISCO Packet Tracer, you can do only EBGP lab. If you are planning to do IBGP, it will not work, but anyhow I will show you also. Here I am writing AS1, here I am writing AS2 here. So this one is a AS2. So let me do here. First of all we need to assign the IP address to the router. So I am here, I will write here no enable config T, and I will change the name of the router. Already you know, that's why I am doing fast. I need to assign the IP, so I have G0/0/0. I will write here IP address 192.168.12.1 255.255.255.0. I will write here no shut, and then interface loopback 0. I will assign the IP address 1.1.1.1, give space 255.0.0.0. okay, so I done the IP address configuration here. You can see already you know how to assign the IP. So see here I assign the IP here, and now I want to configure the BGP. So here if you write, I will write router BGP example, I am using 1, and then manually you need to make the neighbor. So neighbor IP I am using 192.168.12.2, and remote AS I will give same AS. Example, I am saying that here I am using 1, here also I will give 1, so it will call as a IBGP. But in the CISCO Packet Tracer IBGP is not working. If I press enter, see what we are getting. We are getting here CISCO Packet Tracer does not support internal BGP in this version. Only external BGP is supporting. So IBGP is not working here. Only EBGP is working. So then EBGP means different AS. In the R1 and R2 you should have the different AS. So I give the different AS, so it is working. After that I need to advertise some network, so I am advertising that one. Okay, whatever the subnet mask we have, we are giving. So this one we configure the BGP here in the R1. Now I will go to R2. First here also I need to change the name, assign the IP address, then I need to configure the BGP. So this is a R2, and interface we have interface G0/0/0, and then I will write here IP address 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.255.0. I will write here no shut, and interface loopback 0. I will assign the IP address 2.2.2, give space 255.0.0, and then after that I will write router BGP. Here I am using AS2, and neighbor you need to make manually. So I will write neighbor IP will be 12.1, this one here, and remote AS means 1, because we are using here AS1, here is 2. So I will give remote AS as 1. So see BGP neighbor come up, and if you want to advertise any network, you can write the network ID of that one and the mask, and you can write the subnet mask of that one. Okay, after that you can write show IP route. You can see you have the route in the routing table. This one you learn this route from the BGP, but here we are using EBGP, and you can ping 190 what you get here 1.1.1, and see reply is coming. And if you want to check, you can write show IP BGP summary, and you can see this is a BGP summary. You can see with this one you can write show IP BGP neighbor. You can get the neighbor information, and also you can check the BGP forwarding table. You can write show IP BGP and press enter. This is a BGP forwarding table also. Okay, so what you need to remember here IBGP is not working, only EBGP is working in the CISCO Packet Tracer. But I recommend better you use the CISCO Modeling Lab. That is very good, and up to 5 router you can do the lab free of cost. So you can install CISCO Modeling Lab and do the BGP lab in the CISCO Modeling Lab. In our YouTube channel we have the CML, that is CISCO Modeling Lab playlist. You can follow that, how I am doing, how I am installing, and start doing the lab there. Okay, and you can do in Packet Tracer also other stuff, but BGP better do in the CISCO modeling. Okay, thank you, bye.